Norfolk Southern, milepost 199.8, track 1, no defect. Repeat, no defect.
The little train that is rolling down the tracks to the junction. Forget about your cares, it is time to relax at the junction. Lots of curves, you bet, and even more when you get to the junction.
Petticoat Junction.
There's a little hotel called the Shady Rest at the junction.
Petticoat Junction.
It is run by Kate, come and be her guest at the junction.
Petticoat Junction.
And that's Uncle Joe, he's a moving kind of slow at the junction. Petticoat Junction.
Man, oh man, we're getting some. Go figure. We're not getting any frickin' warning from that direction where this train comes from. Go figure. Anyway, we got most of it, if not all of it. Oh, this looks like your typical junky looking intermodal, maybe. Yeah, I guess it's just the same as average. Definitely junk and China shipping coming up. Right there, junk. And I smell somebody burning rubbish around here, it smells like. Might be this hunk of junk I'm sitting in. I wouldn't doubt it. No, I do smell rubbish burning somewhere. There she goes. I don't know who the hell this guy is, but the previous train that went that direction was 17E, we found out. You know, that could have been L15. I don't know, maybe it was. Okay, we'll be back for more. Hey, we've got another westbound CSX coming. Here he comes. Yeah, we got a snowstorm. Oh, geez, getting blasted here. Holy smoke. Here comes some more. Oh, man. There she goes, snowstorm and all. Yeah, we had no idea he was coming, that's for sure. All right. Ready for some more? Yeah, we'll find some. Yeah, we just found out that was IO-17 and went by. All right, we're gonna get some more before the sun goes down. Okie dokie, we got another westbound CSX coming. No idea who it might be yet. Maybe our genius. Give me an idea eventually. And he's giving us some horn salutes. See what appears to be a DPU. Cold to me. And then there's a project over here. There she goes. Something like that. And we got big old bald sun up there. And there she goes. See you later. Okay, we do have a couple trains. We got 17N is missing in action somewhere. We don't know where he is. Or if he ever shows up. We don't know. We'll eventually find out before it gets dark. We're got about an hour and a half of light left. You see? That one snuck up on us.
There's some engine compartment doors on both of them. both sides of my engine that don't stay shut.
What was that you just said, Bill?
Got engine doors on both sides of my engine that don't stay shut. They get blown open.
What's the level of shop and change the monitor for your train a little bit? Dispatcher, wait shot up.
245 of the 17.
The, it doesn't go down, and tell me guys back up and see where the focus is.
Yeah, let me call you up again.
Okay, wait shot here, dispatcher.
Can you hear me, Bob?
Monitor the 38-inch train. Hopefully, this shit will release. Does make sure you can temperatures go down. But if they go up or anything happens, I'll call you guys back up.
Well, there she goes.
Is it okay to continue leading when you're here?
No idea who the heck he was.
Wait shot up.
245, Bob. Here. Yeah, I don't know if you heard me, but I'm 245 to 17th. I got engine doors that don't stay shut on both sides of my engine.
There she goes. Yeah, I think that train's the one that had the problem with the doors not staying shut on the engine. 38N
Alright, copy that. What's the
is
call?
ending up having a hot wheel detection. Go figure.
195 will be going into Sandusky Yard here.
So I have no idea if he's going to make it this far and be checked or stop in Elyria. I don't know what's going on. So we'll be here till it gets dark, probably. All right, we've got another eastbound NS coming. Sounded like he identified a 16N. That may not even be right. Yeah, it has to be. Forgot the radio was on, listening to a football game. What is this? CSX on the... No, it's Canadian National. Got a pair of them here.
Alright, copy that.
It appears he's hauling... I think he's hauling denatured alcohol. Can't really see. Yeah, it's denatured alcohol, 1987. So this guy has to be 60 something. That's 60 in. And we do have an eastbound CSX coming along here real quickly, and there he is. Get it up A little more. That ain't too bad. At least I don't think it is. Look at a big old bald head in the background. And another snowstorm coming. We still have our train. Here comes the snow! It's gonna get me! Oh, it got me! It's gonna get me! Great, the other train on hauling the denatured alcohol is long gone. See some sulfuric acid 1830 and what? Oh, jeez! Getting blown away here with the snow. Okay, here's the end of this thing. There she goes. Okay, 38N is still out there. Last seen in Amherst here a little bit ago. I don't know if it's going to be stopping around Amherst or is it limping its way to out here. I don't know. We got about 45 minutes of actual sunlight though before it sets, and probably a little afterwards since it's a clear day. So all right, we're gonna be here till we can't see no more. All right, we'll be back.